Okay, what the fuck? I was doing the randonautica apps because you can do them from home. I'm just going through them again because I need to cut them down because as I wasn't sure how to use them yet, there's a lot of wasted time in them that people aren't going to sit and watch through. This one is the old style app. Please tell me why there's an owl noise on this, because the app logo is an owl. I've explained why it is an owl to people who've been freaking out about it. But a lot of people have been having experiences with owls whilst doing the app outside. I'm on my own at home here. No telly on as usual or anything like that. And I can't explain this. I'll just show you a quick clip of this because I'm going to show the full video a bit later. But I just want you to hear this owl. Yeah, right, wait. I've got to take it back again. It's literally as soon as I start. Sorry.
Head north on Jubilee.
Right, sorry, wait. Okay, this is the old-fashioned version. I'm going to try this. So, I'm going to do the cold case murder again. There. If I could take that back. So it's impossible to take these bloody videos back. There. What the hell? Why is there an owl noise? That's really strange. Okay, so I'm going to cut this short now because I just wanted to catch that bit, and I've got to cut the others down because, like I said, they were way too long. I didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, I tried it 3 times. I tried 2 different versions and got results, and that's just from doing it at home.